how to do jumping knee rocks. Before you attempt this step, make sure you understand how to do the basic knee rock pattern, going knees, hands, feet, knees, hands, feet. The main difference when we do this step is that when we turn to the left, we go left knee, right knee, and when we switch hands, we land on left foot, right foot. One more time, left knee, left foot, right knee, right foot, left foot. Leaning onto your arm, add a slight jump, going left, right. Again, right, left, left, right, right, left. Don't forget to consider your arms. And the end goal is you want it to look like a slinky. Practice this until you're comfortable and then get creative. For more help with the dancing, make sure you subscribe to me on YouTube and Patreon.